Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So if you have decided to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account, then you need to follow these simple steps. First, click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then it will land you to the settings and activity page. From here, you need to click on the account center at the top and it will lead you to the meta account center page. From here, click on the personal details and then you can see this option which says account ownership and control. Simply click here and click on the deactivation or deletion. Now choose the Instagram account and then you need to choose the deactivate account option and click on the continue. Then once this process has been successfully completed, you need to enter your Instagram password. So let's do this. Then once you have successfully entered your password, simply click on the continue button and here you can see that the deactivation is asking for a reason. So simply choose any reason and click on the continue button and it will ask you for our confirmation again. So simply click on the deactivate account button again. And once that is completed, you will be logged out as here you can see that the account has been successfully deactivated. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.